I would have liked to have stayed home, but I do work outside the home.
In 2019, households who have two working parents like Caitlin Cushman's is much more common than not. But thanks to a new law in the state of Vermont, the challenge to go back to work with a newborn may be a little easier for those living and working in the state.
You have that bonding, you've got that mother-child interaction that's just lost when you have daycare. You have the ability to nurse your child if you're a nursing mom. That's invaluable.
Practitioner Amy Kranick says she thinks this type of law is a step in the right direction for maternal health. Vermont is one of 6 states in the nation to allow babies in the workplace. The law, which went into effect February 1st, allows state workers to bring their newborn who's between the ages of 6 weeks and 6 months to work with them. Under the new policy outlined by Governor Scott, parents may bring their baby with them as long as the following applies. The employee received prior permission from their supervisor, there isn't a safety hazard or concern for the parent or baby at work, and there's limited disruption in the workplace.
I mean, I think it's a start.
While Kranick, who also brought her children to her practice when they were babies, says the benefits do outweigh the negatives, while Cushman, a patient in her practice, says she agrees. She thinks lawmakers should take a look at the bigger picture.
I think to be going back to work that early is not really a great idea. I think that would be like a detriment to my mental health and, you know, for the development for the baby, for bonding and things like that. I think legislation would be better served with like a longer paid maternity leave instead of coming back to work that early.
Some of the practitioners we spoke to say they hope the governor will consider expanding this law into the private sector soon. We did reach out to Governor Scott to see where things stand, but have not heard back at this time. Reporting in Bennington, Brooke Selby, News Channel 13.